Imagine a number that is as intriguing as it is infinite, a constant that has intrigued mathematicians, scientists, and enthusiasts for thousands of years. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of pi, a mathematical constant that is as mysterious as it is fundamental to our understanding of geometry and mathematics. Pi, often represented by the Greek letter p, is defined as the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. This relationship remains the same for every circle, regardless of its size, making pi a universal constant. But what makes pi so captivating is its inherent complexity and the ways it continues to perplex and inspire. Let's step back in time. The concept of pi has been known since ancient civilizations, with the earliest recorded approximations from around 1900 BC, courtesy of the Babylonians and Egyptians. They estimated pi to be around 3 and 1/8. These early approximations were remarkably close to the real value, given the tools and knowledge available at the time. As centuries rolled on, mathematicians worldwide refined the value of pi, bringing more digits into the fold. It was Archimedes of Syracuse who made significant strides in understanding pi, providing one of the first algorithmic approaches to calculating it. He ingeniously used a method involving polygons to approximate pi, landing it between two bounds, and earned the lasting title of the father of numerical approximation. So, what is the value of pi? Most of us know it as approximately 304,199, but in reality, pi is an irrational number. This means it has an infinite number of non-repeating digits after the decimal point. In 1949, computers entered the scene, and the ENIAC was used to calculate over 2,000 digits of pi, an incredible feat at the time. Fast forward to today, and pi has been calculated to over 31 trillion digits, a testament to both the power of technology and our insatiable curiosity. Beyond its numerical intrigue, pi holds a crucial place in mathematics and our understanding of the natural world. It's not just a number, it's a cornerstone of mathematical relationships and computations. Engineers and scientists employ pi in calculations involving waves, pendulums, and the spiral forms in nature. It appears in fields as varied as probability theory to quantum physics, and even in the architecture of our universe through trigonometry and calculus. The cultural impact of pi is also immeasurable. It has inspired individuals around the globe to not only calculate it, but to celebrate it. March 14th, or 3/14th, is recognized as Pi Day. This day is marked by trivia, pie-eating contests, and a playful embrace of mathematics and the joy of discovery. However, pi isn't just a mathematical curiosity for scientists and mathematicians. It's a symbol of the infinite and the unknown. It reminds us that there are still uncharted territories in mathematics, beckoning the adventurous among us to explore further. There's an ongoing allure in attempting to memorize pi's digits, with some memorizing tens of thousands of digits, a testament to human perseverance and memory. It stands as a mirror, reflecting our quest for understanding and the beauty of mathematics as an art form. As we conclude our journey into the world of pi, let's reflect on its inherent mystery and the inspiration it has provided through the ages. Pi reminds us of the endless potential for discovery and the beauty hidden within the universe's simplest structures. As long as there are circles, there will be pi, a testament to the elegance and infinite nature of mathematics. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of pi, a symbol of infinite possibilities and mathematical elegance. It continues to be a source of wonder and inspiration. Stay curious, seek knowledge, and perhaps next time, you'll find yourself captivated by the digits of pi.